time to see if that was worth it or not. Wow, that sounds So, just got the box in the mail. It came through FedEx, but DNA Motoring just showed up as I was taking off the old exhaust that's sitting on the ground right there. As that came down, FedEx walked up. He's like, "Here's your box." I'm like, "Woo!" Perfect timing. So I have no idea what's inside here. I don't even know if I have all the parts. Hopefully I do, because I already started pulling apart the exhaust. If not, my car's gonna sit there until I get all the parts in. I see pipes, that's a good sign. A bunch of pipes. Real good sign. Alright. First up, the Uppipe. Beautiful. Actually, surprisingly good welds for how inexpensive this was. Ooh, this is the one I really was curious about. The downpipe. Comparing this to the old one. Woo! This boy's big. Hello! Bum, bum, bum.
Very accurate.
Sounds very good. I like it. Wow. The difference in the two. Even with the heat shields on, it's still so thin. This one's so restricted. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the mouth. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be great.
What diameter is it?
3 inch. 3 inch all the way back. With this over the top. I think way too much, but you know what? Full send, why not? No reason why not to. I mean, it might be a little bit on the right side, but you can't argue with the price. This entire exhaust system was $200. I could have bought a brand name Uppipe for $200. So, to get everything for that price is ridiculous. Look at that thing.
I'm gonna have to take out that baffle.
Yeah, the silencer.
It's just the
Yeah.
screws.
So I just gotta get the silencer out. Who knows, maybe we'll want to keep it in there because it might be a little too ridiculous. Wow. Should I do like 2 fists in there?
Very uncomfortable.
I can fit 2 fists in my tailpipe. That's kind of ridiculous.
You fist in your tailpipe.
Not just one. Not just one, but 2. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the heat shield off of the turbo to get access to the downpipe. So I'm gonna tap it with some WD-40 and hopefully it'll help get all the bolts out. There's 1 behind, back here, 2 down here on the side. Looks like 1 more back here under the good old exhaust bolts. They're always snapping off because they run through all those heat cycles and they just get really weak. Just heads up, remember you're probably replacing a lot of hardware with this if you don't have new hardware with your new exhaust. The one bolt that's so rounded off, we can't get the extractor on it, we can't use pliers, we can't break it off. So it looks like we might just cut it off. persuasion, it came off. We so rusted, we just broke the heat shield around the bolt. So now you can see why cutting off the bolt didn't work out. We took the head of the bolt off and left the little wings of it, the washer part, the washer looking part of it. I don't know what it's actually called, but. So for the downpipe, there's a bolt up here, bolt right there that completely removed with the nuts. There's a stud right here. There's one more lower down here. And on the far side, back here, there's another bolt down below. I was able to access them all from the top. So hopefully that's all the bolts and we can get the downpipe off. There you can see our O2 sensor. Instead of pulling it out right up here and working with the limited space, I'm gonna go over on the other side of the exhaust. And right in there you can see the clip where it connects. And I'm just gonna disconnect that clip. There we go. Nice and free. Tuck the wire up out of there so that's not in the way. Next is this transmission mount right here. Might need some pliers to get it unhooked from this once you get the bolt off. That is one tight bolt. I don't think my impact's gonna fit there. All right. Uh-oh. Feels like I rounded it up. Uh-oh. I think the situation is, other than WD-40 in my mouth, I think we're rounded. Right back there, you can see one of those rubber mounts. And then there's a couple more back there. I'm gonna try to take it all out as one piece since I'm already missing the muffled part anyways. So my exhaust ends right there. So instead of taking these rusty bolts out, like you can probably see these right here. Instead of attempting to take this apart, I'm just gonna leave it together and take the whole thing apart as one piece. And here, my buddy takes the easy part of unbolting the 5 bolts on top of the Uppipe, while I have to crawl my butt under the car and try to unbolt the passenger side of the manifold. Last nut. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Danger to manifold. Danger to manifold. Oh. Wow. That was a pain. Heat shield. We don't need you. Oh wow, this gasket. Beautiful. All right. One dealer unloosened all the bolts of the engine mounts, lifted it up. The other guy cut it in half, but he said that didn't help at all. He said he just kept pulling and pushing and then took a pry bar and just slammed it down until it came out. So it took him like 2 hours, but he got it out. So we'll see. All right, boys, We're almost out. Oh yeah. Catch. Woo! We're out. Chuck that junk out of here. The old versus the new. Here's the old downpipe with the restrictive cap. Here's the new free-flowing one. Much bigger. Spool much quicker. I mean, nice. Woo! Last bolt and then we're ready to go. All right. Time to give it a test run. Get right back with you. One small detail we missed. We gotta remove the silencer. Make this as loud as possible. The neighbors might hate me, but hey, I'm gonna love it. What is this trash? Sounds like trash. Get rid of it. Here's a cold start so you can hear the stock exhaust. Well, what's left of the stock exhaust. All right, time to see if that was worth it or not. First drive sounds great. Got so much spool. That was so worth it. Doesn't drone that bad yet. I mean, my last exhaust droned a little bit worse. So much better. Get a little funny smell, but that's just all the oils burning in the packaging from when it's packaged to the polish or whatever. So that'll fade after a couple miles, and we should be good. There's smoke in the car. Why is there smoke in the car? All right, that we may have to go investigate. Why are we getting smoked out? Woo! It's kind of bad. So, vape boys for life, right? Subarus? My car vapes too. Yeah. So the exhaust is on, but in the process, we kind of messed up. So getting the downpipe out, this little bracket right here was in the way, and this little bolt in this end of the bracket was blocking us. So we took a chisel and we stuck it on there and we beat it and bent it so we could get it out. And eventually we got it out. Everything was good. We put all the new exhaust on and took it out for a spin, and it started smoking. Then we noticed that there was oil pouring out. And then we took it into the garage and realized that when we beat this bracket, we also punctured a hole into the head. So, got new exhaust, but the car's not running. I killed my car because of my exhaust. Long story short, it's time to pull out the engine and replace the head. Maybe while there, upgrade a few things, you know, some rods and some pistons and some rings, and get some more power anyways. We'll see. There's the culprit. Right there. There's the crack. As always, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And there's a lot of content coming your way soon because clearly we have a whole car to fix. Stay tuned.
Very accurate.
Sounds very good.